Hello! Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about the technique of etchings as seen through the work of 4 different artists. The first etching we're looking at is a large format work by Saito Noriko. She uses the dry point technique, which means that the tip of her needle is dry as she scratches all those lines into the copper plate. The colors are produced by the acquainted process. Here's a work by Imamura Yoshio called Autumn Grasses and the Moon. He's referencing the shape of the harvest moon that was made so popular by the great master Sotatsu in a previous time. Look at how the leaves have been eaten by worms. He's showing us the passage of time. Nakazawa Shinichi taught himself how to do etchings, and his theme is calligraphy. So a lot of the visual characters that you see are just imaginary. In addition to his etchings, he likes to make collages with silver foil or gold foil. Hamanishi Katsunori introduces us to a completely different etching technique, that of the mezzotint technique, whereby the artist takes a tool called a rocker to make the surface of the metal plate very rough. In turn, this roughened plate catches the ink, and when the artist prints onto paper, the velvety quality of the burr comes through. What makes this piece so interesting too is the gradation of colors in the autumn leaves. I've just taken you through a quick tour of this very versatile process, the etching technique. I hope that you'll take a look at my website to see other works by these artists, or better yet, make an appointment to come view them in person.